Welcome, Watchers of the Shadows, to Clandestine Shield. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of counter-surveillance, a realm far beyond the digital horizon. This isn't just about protecting your online identity, it's about securing your very existence in the real world. Counter-surveillance is not a game of espionage. It's the skill set that empowers you to safeguard your physical safety, especially for the vulnerable among us, women and children. In a world where dangers lurk in plain sight, counter-surveillance becomes your guide. It's the ability to read the signs, to be aware of your surroundings, and to protect your loved ones from potential threats. Subscribe now for immersive insights, real-world scenarios, and strategies that go beyond the digital labyrinth. Knowledge is your weapon. It's time to become your own sentinel. Join us at Clandestine Shield, where knowledge becomes your shield. Subscribe for real-world vigilance. Stay vigilant, stay secure. Clandestine Shield, your fortress in the tangible shadows.